Hello, it's Kristy here from KristyCoromandel.com, and welcome to this month's class kit to go. I'm super excited about this month's class kit. It features one of my favorite stamp sets and also one of my favorite techniques, which is watercoloring. And this month we're going to be exploring the Rose Wonder stamp set, and we're going to be watercoloring using our re-inkers and our aqua painters. So there are 3 ways in which you can purchase this month's class kit. Option number 1 is our all-inclusive kit, which includes, let me show you here, our Rose Wonders photopolymer stamp set, our project kit featuring all the consumable items that you need to create these 4 projects, including envelopes, plus access to an exclusive online class featuring video tutorials and PDF handouts to create all 4 projects, and that's lifetime access. This class kit here costs $71. Now, if you already have the stamp set, you might want to go with option number 2, which is just the class kit, which will be all the consumable items needed to create these 4 projects, along with your envelopes, access to the online class with PDF handouts and video tutorials, and that class is $27. Now, if you live internationally or you already have all the supplies that's needed, you may just want to purchase the online class version, which is for $20. So that is just digital product only, video tutorials as well as our PDF handouts, and you'll have lifetime access plus instant access to that class if you order it straight away. Now, this class ordering starts on the 5th of April, and registrations close on Saturday the 14th of April. That gives me enough time to order the supplies in and prep and cut all your project kits ready to post out to you. So allow me at least 10 days to get all those shipped out to you, so they should be shipped out to you if not on or before the 24th of April. So sign up below on the link below and register for access to this class today, and I can't wait to see you in class.